People often ask, what is a rider and why do I need one? A rider is a provision in an insurance contract, either life insurance or an annuity, that is purchased separately and provides additional benefits beyond the basic policy. Riders help meet your specific needs. Here's an example. An accelerated death benefit rider on a life insurance policy would provide the insured with a payout while he or she is still alive, in the event of a terminal illness. The proceeds could be used to pay medical bills. Riders assist insurance and annuity contracts to increase benefits to the policyholders when they need them the most. And riders have helped traditional insurance policies meet new consumer needs that were not covered in the past. Because riders meet specific needs, they are often very affordable. Always carefully review and understand the benefits of riders. We can help you evaluate solutions and strategies to meet your needs, so please give us a call today.